most of the consumer technology pushed onto us in 2026. It feels disposable, designed to fail, intended for replacement, a steady drip feed of minor frustrations. But then, occasionally, a piece of engineering emerges, something built to last, to perform, to serve. Like the 2000 Wowers commercial food processor and automatic cooker with its 6-liter stainless steel pot, 360-degree rotation, 3D heating, 3 speed modes for stir-frying, soup or rice, truly a home and restaurant kitchen appliance. What truly sets this apart isn't some flashy new algorithm, it is the quiet, methodical application of proven automation. Consider the sheer efficiency of its intelligent, programmable operation. You load your ingredients, select one of the 8+ modes, and the machine handles the rest. Its internal 360-degree rotation and electromagnetic 3D heating work in concert, precisely managing the cooking time and temperature for 5 to 60 minutes. This isn't just convenience, it is reclaiming significant portions of your morning, your evening. Imagine 15 minutes every single workday given back to you because a meal is cooking itself perfectly, without supervision, without scorching, consistently for years. Pick this unit up, feel its heft. The inner pot, pure 304 food-safe stainless steel, dense, cold, with a zero flex rigidity that tells you this will not deform, it will not warp. The exterior, durable, stainless steel construction, not simply a casing, but a structured enclosure. Every component, from the 2000-watt heating element to the optimized bottom bracket design, is engineered not just for performance, but for durability, for easy cleaning, for a decades-long service life. This eliminates the need for a half-dozen specialized pans, the endless scrubbing of burnt surfaces, the frustrating hunt for replacements when a cheap coating inevitably fails. Now, in the interest of absolute transparency, this machine isn't without its minor quirks. Its compact 12.2 by 14.6 by 14.4-inch footprint, while impressive for its 6-liter capacity, means it is a substantial unit. Moving it around a crowded counter can be a two-hand operation, a slight inconvenience for some. But this isn't a flaw, it is a direct consequence of its robust commercial-grade construction. That weight, that dense physicality, is precisely what gives it its stability, its unwavering performance, its ability to withstand constant use, day in, day out, for the long haul. It is a minor trade-off for decades of unfailing precision. For those who value their time, who reject the culture of planned obsolescence, this is a tool built with your long-term investment in mind. Amazon prices on this commercial-grade hardware. They are dynamic, shifting with supply and demand. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stock.